We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Let's break down the pronunciation. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. Dyadic, 3 syllables. Di, ad, ek. Stress on the second syllable. Dyadic. We are looking at how to pronounce this word. Let's break down the pronunciation. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. Dyadic, 3 syllables. Di, ad, ek. Stress on the second syllable. Dyadic. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.